Today I'm talking about what nobody warned you about when it comes to cruise life. Yep, I said it. Let's get into the unspoken rules of cruising. Because if you don't know them, you'll learn the hard way. Ask me how I know. We've all seen that passenger. You know, the one hogging 5 deck chairs with a towel and a flip-flop like they paid rent. Please stop. Hey, Christy here with Travel Adventures with James and Christy. We're dropping cruise etiquette, unspoken rules, and a little spicy truth for first-timers and cruise vets also. Rule number 1, don't be the chair hogger. You're not booking chairs, you're borrowing them. The crew will remove your stuff if you leave it unattended too long. They don't play. And guess what? Early morning towel drop lifestyle, it's retired. You'll make more friends by sharing space than claiming turf anyway. Quick pause. Listen, if cruise life is on your list, but the stress of planning makes you want to just skip it all together, don't do that. We got you. I'm Christy from Branch Out Travel, and we host group trips that are stress-free and full of those I'll never forget this moment. And if you're nodding alone, thinking, this is what I need, check out our next hosted trip. Links are in the description. Oh, and don't forget to grab our airport day checklist too. No more chaos, no more forgetting your charger or passport. It's free, it's fab, and it's also in the description. Rule number 2. Elevator manners, they matter. Don't rush into the elevator before folks get off. That's not just cruise, it's universal, And parents, this one's for you. If your kids are playing elevator tag all day, bless it. But maybe redirect their energy to the kids zone. I know. I've been there. So don't come for me. Rule number 3. Know when to use your inside voice, especially after 11 p.m. When folks are trying to sleep, or at 6 a.m. on the balcony when your speaker is blaring trap music. We hear you, Carl. Same goes for slapping cabin doors. We know they're heavy, but it's giving earthquake in the middle of the night. Next, it's not a free-for-all. Even with that drink package, please don't treat every bartender like they owe you extra shots. They remember the nice folks. They also remember the messy ones. And don't take the whole cheese plate from the buffet line. Cruise food is plentiful. So don't be that person. Just don't. Number 5. Theme nights are mandatory fun. Yes, they really are. You're on vacation. Don't skip Scarlet Night. Don't skip White Night. Don't act like theme nights are optional. We're looking at you. Yes, we are. I don't do costumes, people. You will regret not getting that fly pic with the crew in full getup. It's part of the magic. It's part of the fun. And rule number 6, be kind to the crew. They're working around the clock to keep you living your best vacation life. A simple thank you goes a long way. So does tipping when it's appropriate. Some of y'all talk to the staff like y'all run the ship or y'all high and mighty. Remember, respect gets you better service every single time. Cruise life is amazing when everyone's vibe is right. Just follow the unspoken rules and you'll be the passenger folks remember for the right reasons. And if this helped you, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop your funniest cruise pet peeves in the comments. You know you've seen some stuff. And if you're ready to cruise like a pro, come with us. We're hosting epic group sailings and the vibes are just right. Check out the links in the description. And let's get you on the water the stress-free way.